Hi, and welcome to the next section of Microsoft Word. In this section, we're going to be talking about spelling and grammar. Microsoft Word has a nice functionality to help you with your spelling and grammar. This can happen in three different ways. The first way is that it can happen as you type. When you make a mistake, it'll be underlined to show you that there's some sort of error here. And then it can also happen at the end of the document where you literally have to go and click check spelling and grammar for the whole document. And there's automatic where for simple words it automatically corrects them for you because it knows what you're trying to say. This will make more sense as we get into the practical. Now let's go to the practical. You know what to do. Open Microsoft Word. And now for the practical section. As you already know, you always start by going to Start, All Programs, and then finding Microsoft Office, and then in it you click Microsoft Word. So here it is. We're going to be doing spelling and grammar. Okay, spelling and grammar. I spoke about the three types of spelling and grammars that are available, and I said the first one is the one that happens as you type, where Microsoft tells you, where the program Microsoft Word tells you that you've made an error here. As you can see, this word is underlined in red. It means something has gone wrong with the way I've spelled it. So what I can do is that I can right click it and it will give me the different options of words that I was probably trying to spell or trying to say, and then I can search and quickly find mine and say, oh, okay, that's the one I wanted to do. So that's the first one. Okay, so in our case we are working with a motivational letter. So say for example you say for your things, my name is Tabo and I really like sports and I'm great at them. Therefore I should get the bursary. So let's say that's Tabo's motivational letter. He's just written a few things about why he should get the particular bursary that he's applying for. And the moment I've written it properly, imagine if it made mistakes, like instead of maybe he wrote really with one L, and it's saying I'm great with sports, and maybe he wrote bursary with an I at the end, and it's done. What Tabo can do is that at the end of his document, you can go and click the review tab. Okay, so you click review and you find things like you find a proofing section, language, comments, tracking, changes, compare, and protect. At the moment, let's only look at the proofing section. It has a section called spelling and grammar. So Tabo can press on spelling and grammar, and this little thing will come up here. Okay, so it will show Tabo everything that he has typed. In the first sentence, he typed, "My name is Tabo, and I really like sports, and I'm great at it." So the reason why it shows this one is because that's the one with the error. That's the first one with the error, and it says I'm really great at sports. So it shows the really in red, showing that really is the one with the error, and it gives him the different options of the words that he could have meant to say instead of really. And after he realizes actually this is the really I wanted to say, then he can say change. Okay, so he clicks change and then it'll go to the next error that is made. It will go to the next error that is made. It says M is an error, but it reads and says my name is Tabo and I really like sports and I'm great at them. If Tabo thinks that this is actually correct and Microsoft Word spelling and grammar detection is incorrect, then he can say ignore once and this will go on to the next one, and you see it goes now to bursary and it says okay, I want that change. So he can say change and then it will tell him that his spelling and grammar is complete, and then it's sorted, so it doesn't have to look like he can't type when he submits his things. The last one that you can use is the automatic one that happens. Now I can type there and say, do you see that there are certain words, if you type them incorrectly, it will still be able to detect what you're trying to say. So for example, try typing there, but instead type T, E, and H and then press space, and then that automatically corrects to the right one. try it with and as well. So try A, D, and N, and press space, and then it will automatically correct it for you. So those are the spelling facilities, spelling and grammar facilities or functionalities that are offered by Microsoft Word. Please familiarize with them. Make use of them while you're working on your motivational letter and all your applications, and they will really help you out a lot. And that's the end of this section.